Hello YouTube, it's Chris and I'm back in the Bolt again today. Do you guys remember that video I made about the weird noise that my Bolt had started making after about 34,000 kilometers? It is a 2017 model and we are now into almost September of 2019. I'll play a little video here so you can remind you of what it sounded like. Okay, what you're listening for is a pump noise. It usually happens either when you're driving or when the car's been sitting and you open one of the doors for the first time. It doesn't matter what door, the back hatch or any of the doors. But listen for this pump sound. I believe it's coming from the front. Here we go. Let's see if we can catch it. There it is. You got it? So yeah, it's pretty tough to diagnose because the problem only happened every once in a while. I kept taking it to the Chevy dealer and they couldn't hear the sound. And if they could hear the sound, it only happened for a very short period of time. So what happened? Well, the problem just got worse and worse. Eventually the sound would come on constantly while I was driving the car. But what I found, which was helpful, is that if I put my foot on the brake pedal, it would stop the sound. So I went back to Chevrolet and said, hey, guess what? Every time I put my foot on the brake, it stops the sound. And they said, so I said, well, I think it's something to do with the brake. I'm not a mechanic, but I think it's something to do with the brake. Anyway, they took it in. They were able to find the problem. It was the brake booster assembly. So they had to order one. That took another 2 weeks. And they replaced it. And guess what? The car's been perfect. It didn't cost me anything. Of course, it's all under warranty. But it took them a while to diagnose the problem and then finally put to solve it. So I just want to follow up with you guys, let you know if you hear that clicking noise. I'm not sure if it's going to be the same thing, but mine was the brake booster. So problem solved, and it's a happy bolting adventure like we've been having. Thanks. Talk to you next time.